Faster! Faster! Get down! Get down!
So hi, hello, namaste. This is Rahul and you're watching my YouTube channel. This is the first vlog and I'm so much excited.
చెప్పు ఏదో ఏదో ఒక్కటి చెప్పు ఒక్కటైనా.
This is the day after I have done with my trip Dandeli. I'm going to tell you what are the things that I have done over there. So 4 of us we went to this trip.
వెయిట్, వీళ్ళకి నార్మల్గా ఇంట్రో వేస్తే సరిపోదు, బద్దలైపోయి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్, స్లో మోషన్ ఎఫెక్ట్లు నేను ఎడిట్ చేశాను, మీరు చూసేయండి.
Drop the name. Shubham. Suraj. Nagarjuna.
That's a wrong one. Let's play it one more time.
Nagarjuna. Rahul.
Next gon' give it to you. Fuck with you to get it on you.
So hi, actually we are starting the journey from Bangalore to Hubli right now. So we'll be boarding the bus in another 5 minutes. Actually the time right now is around 9 o'clock. We have to board the bus at 8:45. It's running late. So stay tuned for more updates.
Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer.
Medical Sciences Hubli.
So finally we are on the roads and we are going to the first destination, which is Syntheri Rocks, which is 13 kilometers away from our resort.
अबे साले जो माफ करना मैं जो
We need to take a permission. Like ticket is around 10 rupees per person. So if you are coming in a car with 4 persons, 40 rupees plus car, they'll charge you around 20 rupees. 60 rupees is the budget, and I'll show you everything what's over there. We are at the destination right now and we need to go down. There are 200 steps. You can see this place. So I want you to see what I'm seeing right now. And we are moving back to our car. It's a nice place to visit, not much of doing anything. Seriously, there are 200 steps. Walking down is very easy, but climbing upstairs is so much difficult. Okay, see you in the car. So we are done visiting Syntheri Rocks. Today is probably kind of doing chill. Tomorrow we are gonna do main part of the trip, that is river rafting and so many water activities. We'll go back to our resort again.
After this, I didn't record anything as I was tired. Routine stuff. We had our dinner, bonfire with some music, and we went to bed.
the next day.
Twenty minutes later.
Good morning guys, this is day 2 in Dandeli. Time is around 8 o'clock right now. We have 2 activities planned today. One is water activities and the other one is the jungle safari. Water activities, jungle safari. There. Probably in the morning we'll be going to water activities and in the evening we'll be planning jungle safari.
1 hour later.
So right now we are on the way to river rafting, which is like 13 kilometers from here. So let's go. And we are gonna do the boating and kayaking over here.
A few moments later.
When it all goes down, I'm gonna run this town. I am my soul, got my eyes on the ground. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby, but I let you down. I can't die in this town, I won't die in this town. Hey, hey, get 'em up.
Ladies and Josh, eyes up!
I won't die in this town.
This is the first time in my life I have done river rafting. This is where we have come, and you need to go through this flow, and there will be a couple of rounds. You need to go back and forth. It's a short one, but it's a special one for me. Out of all the water activities, river rafting is must and should. And thanks to our guide Kumar. Please visit Aqua Good Water Sports.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से
Yeah, so after the river rafting, we are now moving to jungle safari, which is like 11 kilometers away from here. Yeah.
Just do it!
So stay tuned. We need to take permission from here. For per person it is around 450. So this is the kind of jeep they'll give us. So
నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పోయింది
చూడరా చూడు కదా ये देखो ये व्हाइट नेक स्टॉप वर्ड बोलता है
మన స్టేలోనే ఉన్నాయి అవి.
We are somewhere in the middle of the forest. We are actually a bit disappointed. We haven't seen the tiger yet. But there's a viewpoint over here. I want you to see what I'm seeing here right now. I think camera can't do justice. Isn't that beautiful?
Day 3. A few moments later.
Yeah, these are the cycles. Now we're gonna cycle it.
So this is the final day, and we are leaving back to Hyderabad. Can't leave this place, but have to leave. See the view from my room.
Ella quiere farra, 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 farra. Ella quiere farra, farra, farra. Ella está soltera, no tiene alguien que la amarra. Farra,
look over here. What is he doing? All nonsense stuff.
Before ending this vlog, would like to say something. In life, it is not where you go, but who you travel with matters. Finally, let's see the best memories I had with these bunch of idiots.
Hello. Come on, come. Okay, turn aside. Wait.